Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, HP OfficeJet Pro 1825E, and now I'm gonna show you how to change Wi-Fi password on this device. To do that, firstly open the control panel and click on Settings button to open the Setup menu. Find your network setup. Here you can choose wireless settings and click Wi-Fi setup wizard. Then click yes. And here you can choose any Wi-Fi network you want. For example, the same Wi-Fi network you was connected, and you changed the password on this network. So you can choose this network again and reconnect with new password. Thanks for watching and bye. See you.